In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and save your email templates in your account settings. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to customize your email communication just the way you want. First, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. To get there, look for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. This gear icon is your gateway to a range of customization options that will help you tailor your account to your specific needs. Once you click on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This section is your control center for personalizing how your account functions. After entering the account settings, the next step is to locate the Sales category. Scrolling through the options, you'll find Sales listed on the left-hand side. This section allows you to manage everything related to sales, including your email messages. Clicking Sales will expand additional options, presenting you with the choice you need next. Within the Sales category, you'll find an option labeled Messages. Click on Messages to proceed. In this area, all your email templates are stored. This is where the magic happens. You'll have access to existing templates that you can modify or update to fit your needs. Editing these will allow for a consistent and professional tone across all of your client communications, enhancing your business's image. Now, it's time to dive into editing. Here, you'll see a list of email templates available. Choose the one you want to edit by clicking on it. This will take you to the editing screen where you can make your changes. You might want to update the text for clarity, change the tone to better match your brand, or personalize them for specific customer groups. Whatever your needs, ensure the message is clear and aligns with your brand voice. Once you've finished making edits, take a moment to review the changes. Make sure there are no typos or errors and that everything is formatted correctly. It's also a good idea to ensure the language and tone are consistent with your company's branding and that each message is clear and concise. Reading the message aloud can be a helpful way to catch any issues you might have missed. With your editing complete and reviewed, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, often represented by an icon resembling a disk or a straightforward Save label. Make sure to click it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Without saving, any changes you made will be lost once you navigate away from the page. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit and save your email templates, giving your business a polished and professional edge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been informative and helpful.